Hi, welcome to my channel. You're watching Crafting with Tammy. For today's project, we are going to do something in regards to St. Patrick's Day, which will be tomorrow. If you watched my video that I posted on Tuesday, we made some St. Patrick's Day earrings. We sublimated both of these little teardrop earrings. And today we're going to be using the Cricut Joy again. But this time we're going to be using it to cut out some vinyl decals that we're going to place on these mugs. So I bought these mugs from the Dollar Tree, and I have some vinyl that I placed, just regular vinyl. It's not heat transfer vinyl, it's just regular vinyl. And we're going to use the Cricut Joy to cut out a little decal in regards to St. Patrick's Day so we can decorate these mugs. So there's actually 2 of them. So with that being said, you know the drill. Come on, let's get started. Okay, guys, we are in Design Space, Cricut Design Space, and I have created a new project. So I've got my grid up here, and I'm gonna go ahead to upload. I've uploaded 2 designs from, one is from Creative Fabrica, and the other one I believe I purchased, this one I believe I purchased off of Etsy. So the first one I'm gonna add is the one that I did purchase off of Etsy. And the second one will be Creative Fabrica. We're basically going to do the same thing for both images. So I'm not going to show you how we do it for both images. We're just going to do one image first, and then it'll be repeated and applied for the second image. And we'll print out the vinyl, and then we'll go ahead and put everything together. Okay, so the dimensions I measured for the beer mugs, for the space that I wanted to allot for the decal, is going to be 5 by 4. So it's 4 inches in the width going across, and then it's going to be 5 inches height wise. So we're going to go up here and unlock that. We're going to change the width to 4, and then we're going to change the height to 5. Okay, and so this has been reduced because when the file came in, it was kind of huge, to 25%, and I didn't change it back. So I'm going to go ahead and put it at 50%, I mean at 100%, so we'll get the true size of what it looks like. And then we are going to go ahead and hit, I'm going to hit attach. And then I'm going to hide that little clover, because that little clover is going to be printed on green. And I'm going to print this with some gold. So I'm going to go ahead and hit, I'm wondering if I had, you know, sometimes I still play around in Design Space with it too. So I'm going to hit this, hit unattach, detach. And my color should come back. It didn't, so let's go ahead, and I'm just playing with this, guys, while I'm talking with you guys. So I'm kind of talking it through. I just want to try something. I'm going to hit upload again. I want to see if I hit, that's going to come in huge. So I'm going to downsize it again till about 50%. I'm going to unlock that again. And the width is going to be 4, and then the height is going to be 5. Come on, change me back. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, let's put this back again at 100%. I just want to see if I hit make it, if it's going to leave everything the way that I want it to be, and then just put this on a separate mat. So, because it's 2 different colors that we have listed here, or whether it's going to just put it on the mat when it shows it on the mat, and it's going to have everything scrolled all across and all the letters and everything mixed up, because you know Cricut tries to save your vinyl, so they don't do that. So I'm thinking I have to hit attach, and then but I'm just going to try it just to sort of, we can always cancel it, right? Okay, so now when we hit make it, yeah, see how this did? It has all the words It separated the little green thing like I wanted it to, but then see how it did all the, and I'm not trying to figure all that out. We don't want to do all that. Okay, so I'm going to hit cancel because that's not what we want. And okay, get your butt back up here. And I'm going to click that, and then I'm just going to hit attach. And so what it's going to do is going to make everything one color. I'm going to hide that little clover because that's going to be a different color. And then I'm going to hit make it. Yeah, see, it's printing everything the way that I want it to print. And then what I'll do is I'll go back and just print the clover. And then we'll go ahead and put that little piece. We can piece that together. That'll be no big problem there. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and fire up the Cricut. Let it cut this. Come back. I'm going to go ahead and stick a little piece of green in there. Cut it out. We'll go over to the table. We'll weed both of the designs, and then we'll place both of the designs on the mug. Okay? Stay tuned. right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I didn't do much talking. I kind of put a lot of it to music because it's kind of repetitive, the same old thing on weeding, printing out, weeding, and then putting the vinyl on the mugs. But I put a little tissue paper in here so that hopefully you could see the image better. But that's basically it, guys. That's how you cut out your vinyl and layer it. I know some of you probably do it differently, different strokes for different folks. If you do know of an easier way for me to do it, please feel free to share. I'm always open for suggestions and tips and tricks, something that I may not know. But these are the two images for our beer mugs for St. Patty's Day. And I think they came out great. And I hope you've learned something today. Do me a favor, if you have, go ahead and hit that like button down below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And I upload new material on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'd love to have you as a follower. But until we meet again, guys, be blessed.